how's it going? Again, it's the Mortgage Masters Busting Mortgage Myths. I'm Jason.
I'm Kyle.
And we're going to talk about bankruptcy today and what it takes to be able to buy afterwards. So what are the questions you get, Kyle?
Yeah, so one question that we get a lot is it possible to purchase a home after you file the bankruptcy?
Yes, it is. For your conventional loans, it's typically 4 years. There are exceptions that are allowed to happen, but those aren't easy, folks. And if a loan officer's promise you that, 9 times out of 10, it's not going to work out. I'm just saying. And people may comment on here and say, "Oh, I do it all the time." All right, no, you don't, but that's cool. So, and then the next one is you've got VA. VA is typically a 2-year waiting period.
Right.
Now, I've done VAs with 1 year because they do allow exceptions for that. A lot of times it's usually due to medical issues and stuff like that because people had like a very traumatic event happen in their lives or somebody in their family that, you know, it's their husband, their spouse, their child that caused the medical expenses to get too excessive, right? Or things that are out of their control. Now, you know, financial mismanagement, that's not out of your control. We can't make an exception for that, but we can when it's something that you couldn't have controlled in your life in a lot of cases. Do all those happen? No, but they do. And then FHA is actually a 2-year waiting period after bankruptcy. They do allow for the exception. They're not as easy as to get as on a VA loan, in my opinion.
Right. Yeah,
but they do happen. It downgrades it to a manual underwrite. Actually, VA is still a downgrade to a manual underwrite too. And for you all that don't know what a manual underwrite is, you get more restrictive on the debt to income ratio versus what you can normally, how high you can go if you're just getting a regular approval. And then you have to get quite a few more documentations. Like, for example, you have to verify rent on a manual underwrite. You don't have to do that on regular loans. That's another myth, actually, but we don't want to throw it in there, but we'll go ahead and throw it in. There's another cherry for you guys, okay? But yes, typically FHA and VA are 2 years. You have 4 years for conventional, those are your traditional waiting periods. And yes, we have alternate products, Kyle, correct?
Absolutely, yeah. We do have some portfolio products that allow for getting financing 1 day out of bankruptcy, but given the current climate that we're experiencing, those loans are very difficult to get done. You know, we're happy to take a look at the situation, but we're definitely not going to make or give anybody false hopes that it's done easily.
Yeah, those are this current client condition. They suck right now. Just to be truthful, they really do. There's not very many options out there, and I can guarantee the rates are probably they're trying to charge even more of a premium right now because they're more of a risk. It might be worth it to wait until we get through this scare, which, folks, I think we're getting there pretty soon. All right, have a good day.